what's up guys, and the Mega Galaxy has arrived. We have the Samsung Galaxy A70 in the studio. It's packing some seriously awesome features that not even the flagship models have. It is one of the first Samsung phones to come out with super fast charging, which is coming with 25 watts of power. A 6.7-inch display with Super AMOLED madness, Infinity U design to get that maximum screen to body ratio, and a ridiculous 4500 mAh battery. Let's get right into this bad boy. It is so exciting. Okay, it's time to take off the plastic. Here we go, nice and easy. We've got a couple of cards here. Of course, this is the official model that you will see in the market as well. So inside you get the warranty card, and then comes the Samsung Gold member card, which means this is the official product of Pakistan. This basically confirms that you have the official product along with the 1-year official warranty, original accessories, original stuff. So gotta say, it feels kind of nice seeing this out of the box. It's like you have entered Samsung's secret group or something. Anyways, let's just cut open the box here real quick. Lifting the box up, here we have the beautiful Galaxy A70 and of course some accessories as well. So first comes this box, which includes a silicone case looking really nice. It is transparent. So, and then from the same little box you also get the quick start guide. Alright, so here is the Samsung Galaxy A70 looking really good. As always, we have some of the main specs written on the front, which is the Infinity U display, its in-display fingerprint scanner, which is by the way optical, and then the super fast charging, which I can't wait to try out. Let's just put this on the side and take a good look at the accessories. So first up is the new and improved 25 watt Samsung charger. So this is gonna fast charge the phone even faster than the Samsung Galaxy S10 family, with the exception of the S10 5G of course. So now the difference between the normal Samsung fast charger and this one is that it says super fast charging. So that's how you differentiate. Then we have the headphones. These are sadly not AKG, so these are the normal Samsung earphones. And then finally out of the box you get the USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Yes, this does not have that USB-A port because this charger is actually a Type-C charger. Samsung is indeed contributing towards USB Type-C everything. So this is how it's gonna go in the future. C to C along with the Type-C charger. Alright, time to take a look at the star of the show, which is the Galaxy A70. Removing the plastic, and wow, this is a huge phone guys. Damn. I have big hands. It still feels pretty big, again, for all the good reasons. I mean, this display is going to be incredible. And then not to forget that 4500 mAh cell inside is going to be incredible as well. Now as it boots up, let's take a quick look at the back. So you can see that it has this color shift, so it's not just a plain color. Looks similar to the Galaxy A50, I mean overall look wise, but it's slightly more premium, and you can just literally see the shift in the color. Gotta say, really nice finish. And then of course we've got those triple camera sensors on the back. Towards the right hand side you get the power and volume rocker, and at the bottom of the phone you can see the USB Type-C port along with the good old headphone jack and your single speaker. We've got the main 32 megapixel sensor coming with f1.7 aperture. There is an 8 megapixel sensor with f2.2 that is ultra wide, and then we have a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Now I will be showing you guys some camera samples, but let's go ahead and set up this phone real quick. Okay guys, just got done with the setup and you can see the design is looking incredible. I have to say I'm really liking the Infinity U design on a 6.7-inch display size. We've got so much screen area to play with. I can't wait to do more testing on this. So as you can see, it is running the One UI software, which is obviously, if you don't know, built for large phones of today's era. You can comfortably use this phone with one hand, like bringing down the notification panel. Each application, the default applications are optimized for one-handed usage. All your main settings are down here for one-handed reach, no problem whatsoever. Same thing goes with the settings application, like everything just expands to the reach of your thumb, which is absolutely amazing. And this is the main reason why I actually love One UI. And on top of that, it is really optimized and it packs so many features. Now this is a 1080p display, but it is looking ridiculously sharp. This might actually be the best 1080p panel I've seen on a Samsung phone. Now the Galaxy A70 is coming with an optical fingerprint scanner that is inside the display, so you can see the speed is okay. It's not the most snappiest, but I gotta say, so far it is looking pretty consistent. Now under the hood is rocking the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset along with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, which is more than enough to handle all the applications without any problem. Again, if you guys want me to do a speed test, I will do that. Here is the benchmark score we have. Pretty decent score. Now moving on to the camera system, as you can see, it is rocking the same camera UI as the Galaxy S10 Plus. And the pictures that are coming out of this 32 megapixel main sensor is looking pretty sharp. The Galaxy A series phones generally do struggle when it comes to the low light situation, but this phone is holding up pretty well. We now have the ability to take 4K videos on the A series as well, thanks to the new Snapdragon 675 chip. Switching to the selfie camera, it is coming with the largest selfie sensor I've ever seen on a Samsung phone, rocking 32 megapixel. And I gotta say, selfie performance looking really decent. You get all the blur effects similar to the Galaxy S10 model. Again, the selfies will pop even more outdoors, so I'm really excited to test it out. I will be sharing some pictures on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. And once again, if we talk about the battery size, it's rocking 4500 mAh cells, similar to the Galaxy S10 Plus 5G, so that should be able to give it an edge over the Galaxy S10 models because this is a huge battery size. So that's all we have on the Galaxy A70. I will be doing some more videos on this phone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.